Hello and welcome. If you clicked on this program, something probably has been bothering you for a while. Maybe you spent months, even years, tweaking grind size, changing temperature, and still, some days it just doesn't behave. Maybe you ask yourself frustrating questions like, why does this shot pull completely different today? Why does pressure jump around even though I didn't change anything? Let's be real. Most of us were taught how to operate these machines, not how to truly understand them. That's why the Espresso Blueprint exists. This isn't another recipe course. It's not about memorizing 16 grams in, 38 out in 28 seconds. And it's not going to teach you how to use a refractometer to calculate extraction percentages. This program is about literacy, real espresso literacy. Espresso machines aren't just fancy coffee makers, they are layered living systems. They have structure, hydraulics, thermodynamics, electrical limits, control logic, and yes, they are deeply affected by water chemistry. And your grinder? It's not just a dial with numbers on it. It's a fracture system. It builds particle architecture. It responds to torque, heat, and retention. When you start seeing those layers, something powerful happens. You stop reacting, you start diagnosing, you stop chasing random numbers like the one on most grinders, and you start recognizing patterns. You stop fighting with the machine and start working with its real behavior. Let me say this again because it's the heart of this whole program. Once you see the structure, you cannot unsee it. Once you understand the layers, everything changes. Now, this is important. This course will not turn you into a full-on engineer. It won't make you the technician who can rebuild the machine blindfolded. That's not the goal. The goal is to make you someone who sees the structure, someone who thinks one level deeper than surface tweaks. I'm not an engineer. I've just been obsessed with these machines for almost 15 years now. And every single day, I'm still digging deeper. Because personally, I'm never satisfied with surface level answers. So here's my only request from you. Move through this patiently, think carefully, and ask better questions. Nothing in this system is random. Nothing. Take your time and let the understanding build. You are not going to get more consistent shots. You are going to change the way you see espresso forever. Welcome to the Espresso Blueprint. Let's get started.